This week's offering, we have this gorgeous 1931 Model A Sedan Delivery. Stay tuned for some really unique advertising ideas for your business.
MotoExotica.com.
So obviously at Moto Exotica, you know that we're serious car guys. Absolutely love cars in any way, shape, or form. What you probably don't know is really actually more than half of us here, we have a staff of about 16, and half of us have some sort of art background, graphic design, whatever. I myself do. Scott, the owner, he has a long-term art background. You could probably notice in our marketing, we do things a little bit differently. We really go out and really showing our cars and the style we do it. But what's a really neat thing and a niche that we've carved over the past couple, actually probably the past 5 years, is we like buying vehicles like this and designing them for our clients for business. So basically what I'm saying is we got a beautiful Model A Sedan Delivery, and this is a real Sedan Delivery. They only made about 8,000 of these. So how unique would it be if you put your company's logo on this? It's bright fire red. Put this in the front of your business or take it out to a local parade or any way that you're trying to advertise. So basically how this works, if you buy this Model A for your business, you consult with us, you can consult with one of our graphic designers one-on-one, and we can actually come up with the mock-up or the idea, or if you have an idea, let us know. But either way, we will make the reality of it happen. And as you can see, this is a lot of advertising real estate. You know, total open canvas that we can do anything that you want. So this is your big drive right here. You can do anything and anything you want right here. We can also put a couple graphics down here. And then obviously, of course, on the side of the door, you can follow up with a smaller logo. You can put your phone number. Again, we can do it any style. We can make it look old. We can make it look new. At the end of the day, it's a lot of fun. This car, again, has a lot of advertising real estate. We go to the back swing doors, you can even put the logo on the back. So when you're driving this down the road and you're at a stop sign, someone's behind you, your phone number's there, you just can't miss this bright red Model A. So for example, a couple years ago, we sold a 1950 Chevy Delivery, much like this, but the Chevy version. And a lady down in South Florida who made pies and delivered her pies bought that vehicle from us. We did her logo, we did everything, we did the truck up really nice, did it here, shipped it down to her, and now she's been delivering in that for about a year now. She followed up with us somewhat lately and just said it's a huge hit. She gets people calling her all the time that when she drives it around because you just can't miss it. What makes this Model A special are quite a few things. First of all, it's a factory Murray-built Sedan Delivery. Supposedly they only made about 8,000 of these delivery trucks, and only very, very few survive today. Not only that, the other ones that you do see out there for sale and at car shows are made-up delivery trucks, meaning that they started off as a pickup and then somebody down the line decided to add a delivery body. This is a factory delivery body. One of the biggest signs is the high top of the delivery body. That's always a good sign on it. And there's a lot of other cool, neat things about this certain delivery. It's got some deluxe items such as, you know, we got the stone chip guard here in the front. We have the awesome hood ornament. You move around the truck, you see my personal favorite on Model A's is the cowl lights. They're just always so handsome and pretty functional. And on the Sedan Delivery especially, you'll see mirrors on both sides. Now in the 30s on a Model A, that was a big deal. And you definitely needed it in the delivery trucks when you were backing up so you could see that when it hit any horses or someone else's Model A or their old Model T. It's got the pop-out windshield for those hot days, get that airflow going in it. And my cameraman was just asking me, what do you do when this thing overheats and it starts spilling? You got that open. And I said, well, that's just how you lived in the 30s, I guess.
You get burned.
Get burned. The best part of this is not only is it a real authentic delivery body, but it is restored. Absolutely amazing. It's a stand-up Model A restoration. After its professional restoration, this Model A then was sent to a museum down South Florida where it spent decades in its preserved condition, and then I purchased it directly from the museum owners. You go around this whole truck, the paint is gorgeous. It still has the steel that you want. And again, the black fenders look good. The red paint is just bright. It's not crazy. This thing looks pretty much the way it looked when it rolled out of the factory back in the early 30s. So the next owner is going to be very happy. And again, as we talked about with the advertising options on this, I don't think this truck's going to be around here very long just because of its condition itself. Its rarity that it's a real delivery body, and it's just a stunning car overall.